Hello, so here I am back again. Welcome to Dimple's and Arabian journey. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. And today's unique recipe out of the box is mushroom macaroni spicy pasta. So here I've given an Indian twist to the macaroni pasta, the lockdown special especially for our kids and exclusively for the pasta lovers. So let's have a look onto the main ingredients. So the main and the core ingredient basically are the mushrooms, that is the button mushrooms, and the macaroni pasta. 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 3 green chilies finely chopped. 1 tablespoon of herb mix powder, which is optional, and 2 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 to 2 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 2 tablespoon of salt or as per your taste, and 1 Maggi cube size of taste maker or also stockings, veg or non-veg, your choice. Here I've used the chicken stocking cubes. I'm just using the single one. You could also replace it with a Maggi taste maker packet. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 medium size of onion chopped, 2 large tomatoes chopped, and 1/4 cup of coriander leaves and 500 ml of water. Or you can also use 3 to 4 cups of water. In a large pot, you can just add the macaroni pasta. To this, I'm adding water. Roughly around 500 to 600 ml or 3 to 4 cups of water. To this, I'm adding the salt, 1 tablespoon or as per your taste. Cook the pasta as per your instruction on a high flame or for 10 minutes. Just add 1 tablespoon of oil so that it doesn't stick together and give it a quick mix. Close the lid and then cook for good 8 to 10 minutes or unless it turns soft, and then you can just discard the water. Please add around 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any cooking oil if you prefer. Now you can add the chopped onion and saute for good 2 minutes. Please add salt as per your taste of 1 tablespoon. Do not forget that you have already added some salt while boiling the pasta. Now you can add the green chopped chilies. Then goes the crushed pepper. Now you can add the red chili flakes and mix them well for good 1 minute. Please add haldi or turmeric directly and then just mix them to get rid of the raw texture of the haldi, that is the turmeric. Here I'm adding some chopped button mushrooms. You're free to use many varieties of veggies here, and then just incorporate it well with the masala for good 1 minute. Saute them very well. So mushroom doesn't have its own unique pungent taste, so that's the reason we'll be adding some ginger and garlic paste. You can just use it some 1 to 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste or as recommended. Saute them well. Give it a quick mix. Keep on mixing them. Here I'm adding some tomatoes. I just want the raw texture of the tomato. So that's the reason I'm adding later on. You can also add in well in advance. And just a quick mix. So as mentioned, I've just used 1 cube size of the stocking. So I'm just dissolving them into hot water or warm water. You could also replace it with Maggi taste maker, 1 packet of Maggi taste maker, and just let them dissolve completely, and then you can just add it onto the pasta. Well, I'm keeping a close eye onto the pasta as well. So here I'm adding the pre-cooked pasta. I've completely drained off the water and just adding directly to the pan now. Pasta is ready. The macaroni is getting ready. Together, just incorporate it well enough. I'm just adding 1/4 cup of coriander leaves finely chopped. These are fresh coriander leaves. You can just mix them well now. Just a last mix. And then you can just sprinkle some herb mix powder. This is completely optional. So if you do not have, it's okay to skip it. And then it's all set and ready. The pasta is ready. It is a spicy Indian version of mushroom macaroni pasta is ready in minutes. Serve them hot and enjoy. Please do have a look onto the description box for many more interesting recipes of pasta. Stay tuned and watch our space every Sundays and on Thursday. Thank you for watching and stay connected to Dimple's and Arabian journey.